So after camping all last season, we found that these stabilizer jacks just weren't quite strong enough for our trailer. They still allowed the trailer to bounce up and down and move back and forth, even with the use of X-chocks. So what we decided to do was upgrade to some 7,500 pound capacity stabilizer jacks made by Peaktow, which we found on Amazon. And I'll post the link down in the description for you guys. They're very sturdy looking jack. The material is almost twice the thickness of the originals. And they come with the template for mounting, instructions, a new hand crank, hardware, and the socket for your drill. Now for us, unfortunately, the jacks were welded onto the frame of our trailer. So we have to cut those off first and then get the new ones bolted on, or weld on if you prefer that. But most factory jacks are just bolted onto the trailer. So it's a pretty easy swap out for you. So let's get started on that and take it from there. So now that we have the old jack removed from the frame, we're going to take our template and line it up with the bolt holes. Now for us, unfortunately it was welded on, so we don't have any holes to line up with, but we're going to weld them back onto our frame. And that way they'll be on there nice and sturdy. But for you guys, all you got to do, make sure the holes line up, throw the new bolts in, and it's that simple. Alright everybody, so that's basically it. Once you get the jacks bolted back on or welded on, you're basically done and you're good to go, and hopefully you don't have any more issues with an unstable trailer. It's starting to rain here now, so I'm going to wrap this all up. And if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Until next time, we'll see you then.